Narrator Bill Bailey introduced us to some of the world's oddest creatures.
Creatures that don't normally grab the limelight. Unconventional and unusual. Not the big stars, more the cats.
Having eyes that go out on stenches.
Let me introduce you to nature's misfits.
Trust Bill Bailey to do a natural world about nature's misfits. He looks like one of nature's misfits, doesn't he? Yeah. In the nicest way.
Yes.
He's a misfit.
Misfit.
This is the world's heaviest and only flightless parrot.
It's not got no wings.
But this is a camperboat.
Fat parrot! You fat parrot!
Night. This is when Kakapo's minds turn to finding a mate. In a small hollow that he's carefully excavated, he settles down and calls out for a mate. Anyone want a shake?
Would that it were that easy.
Anyone want a shake? Anyone want a shake?
Then we heard the parrot's mating call.
That's what I'm going to say to about. It's a strange sound, isn't it?
He'll do this for up to 8 hours every night for 3 months.
Liberty! Hey, that long. What that?
He's not going to be much good after 8 hours of farting, is he? I'm here, darling. Fuck off, I'm knackered.
You stink!
As is often the case, it's the females that are the picky ones. They're only interested in breeding once every 5 years.
Oh, what's a bugger, isn't it? I'm not the Masonical. But I'll be back next year. Remember, there's only 125 of them left in the world. Really? Really? I'm going to wait the whole year. Anybody else?
It's a blue cheese.
Do you think they can match today?
Oh, stop
I
it!
was going to think for 5 years. I've got a bit of sniffing that's going on now. I'm waiting 5 years. You should have got it yesterday. I was up for it yesterday. Well, I'm sorry, I can't fly.
In North London, the Tappers.
I'm not worried about not getting the 6B.